In this video, I will show you how to import products to WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to do that, you can just head over and click on this products option that we have right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see that we also already have some products in here. Now, if you want to import products, click on this import button right here, and then a new window will appear in your eyes that looks like this. You just need to import product using a CSV file for your computer. So I will show you in here a CSV file that I have. So I have in here my products from Shopify. Now, if I want to actually add them to my WooCommerce, I just need to add them and import them. So let's head over in here and choose that file on my local computer. Now let's add them from in here. So here's that. Click on open. And then as you can see, it will actually upload itself in just a few seconds. So here is it right here. Click on this continue. And then this will load just like this one. And then once it's done loading, it will show you the column name. So it will ask you if you want to import that, if you want to import the name, the description, as well as the product category. So for this one, let's try to import the product category. You just need to head over and look for the particular one or a particular cell that has your product category from this thing. So click on type, and then you can also choose the vendor. So you can also put that in here right here, and then just put everything that you have or just tweak everything. So once you're done with that, click on this run the importer. And then as you can see, this will import your products. So your products are now being imported. So you can just wait for that to finish the import process. And as you can see, 3 products has been imported. So let's click on this view products right here. And then once you have done that, as you can see, we have these 3 products that has been added right now. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.